So I'm here today at Soko Co to show you the top pick products that I've found for you to help make your life a lot easier when it comes to cleaning and spring cleaning this month. So I'd love to show you one of my favorite things is the White Magic Eco Eraser. I've been using this for years and it's like a little secret. No one seems to know about it, but I love it. It's so easy to use, environmentally friendly, but if you've got those big jobs and you're doing the whole house, you've got the king size here as well. You simply add water, rub it onto the spot where it could be on the wall, on your benches, on the children's desk. It gets crayons, scuff marks off, you name it. The White Magic Eraser can get rid of those things. So you might not even need a new paint job just yet. The White Magic Eraser can help get your spaces looking nice, neat, clean and fresh. Now when it comes to dusting, there's those hard to reach places, for instance, fans. Now when we declutter clients' homes, one thing they point out is, oh, something I really need to get done is to get the dust off that fan, but I can't reach it, it's not exciting, I don't even want to get up there and it's gonna go everywhere. If you've got the right tool for the job, then it can make it so much easier. So for instance, you need to get in those hard reach places. So this one here, you simply just press, extend, it can go even higher if you need. And if you're doing your ceiling fan, for instance, you just need to give it a little bend, fold it over and get to those hard to reach places. Now this can make it pretty cool and fun for the kids to be involved too, but nevertheless, there's still those surfaces areas on the bottom, like your benches, and there's nothing like a little fun way to get the kids involved with my favorite little pink duster and get them involved in the action too. And again, it fits in small spaces and can reach those hard to reach spaces too. Now windows, it's a great time to actually get the dust off the windows, the sand and the dirt and the grit from out the back, even from inside. This excites me because this is a 3-in-1 window cleaner. This one will spray, wash and dry your windows. It has an extendable arm so you can reach all those big windows and the job is done with 3, 2, 1. So that's another great tool to get those not so fun jobs done in the house. But we always say at Be Organised, if it's got to be done, let's make it fun. So where are we going to store all these really cool tools and gadgets to clean our home? This is another one of my favourites. Everything needs a home. So to simply pop it into one of the broom and mop holders, you just mount that on the wall. It's very easy to do yourself. A great present for the man of the house or someone that's handy that can actually put this up themselves and make sure all of your tools are away, not seen. So this is for indoor and outdoor and has many, many different uses. Now, when we are looking at decluttering and spring cleaning our wardrobe, we usually try and find places to put our doonas, blankets, clothes from the winter season and get those bikinis and the shorts and the singlets out because it's springtime. But where do we store all these things and how much room do your winter items take up? Now, space bags are brilliant. These ones are one of my favorites because it's not just plastic. If they get that little tear in it, which can easily happen, then it's null and void for the purpose you're trying to achieve. These have got the mesh material all over. You've got a little window to see what is actually in those storage bags. You don't have to keep opening to find out what it is. You can put a little piece of paper inside written what it is if it's winter doonas. You can write that on the inside to see what it is easily, and it's got a nice zip, and these are durable. You don't want to buy cheap because you're going to buy twice or thrice. You're actually going to get your value for money when you're buying a good quality product. And the other great thing about this is it looks nice. So you can have it out and display, you can stack them up and you can fit so much stuff in it. This space bag, for instance, you can actually have 1 meter high worth of folded doonas and blankets, and it can compress down into 15 centimeters high in your space bag, and that will slip super easily under your bed, and it doesn't need to be seen, but if it is, it actually looks quite nice too. Now, when we're in the wardrobe, another thing we need to keep in mind of is respecting the quality of the products that you have bought for yourself and making yourself feel amazing with what you wear. But the last thing you want is feeling amazing, walking out and your friend pointing out you've got a big hole in there from moths or those silverfish have eaten away your gorgeous clothes. So there's a couple of options here, and what I love about these ones is they are made from sustainable wood. They're made from cedar. There's different options. You've got the cedar balls. You can just pop a couple in your drawers. You've also got the lavender scented disc that you can just slip over your hanger. And you've also got the liner roll that goes inside your drawer, it lines the drawer. Now, depending on your wardrobe space, on average you just need to have 1 or 2 or 3 of these plotted around your wardrobe, and you can keep those silverfish and moths away. And another great thing is making sure that your things are working for you practically, functionally and aesthetically pleasing, is you've actually got the cedar wood hangers. So they've got versatility and functionality that work for you, they look great, and they're going to keep those moths away. Now these products all have about a 6-month lifespan when it comes to the scent. So to make sure that you are reusing your products, not having to spend any more money, waste your time going around trying to hunt them down again, even though they're all here at Soko Co, you can just get the simple spray. It's really cheap, and you just spray that on, and it gives you another 6 months each time, so that you can use the same products, reuse them, you're helping the environment, and you're keeping your clothes looking fabulous. So you've got the spring cleaning side of things sorted, but there's other spaces in your home, whether you'll be cleaning and doing domestic jobs, and we really want to make sure that you're focusing on getting the right tools for the job. Now, ironing is one of them. I would highly recommend that you outsource. It is most certainly not my favorite thing, but if you are the ironing person in the house, then make sure that you have got the right tools for the job. And again, if you're going to be in that space often and using this frequently, make sure you feel great when you're doing these jobs. For instance, just a simple thing like getting an ironing board that actually works, or getting a beautifully designed ironing cover. There are so many here in store at Soko Co for you to choose from, and I'm just in love with this one that's got the floral pattern on here with the dragonflies, but I know what I'll be getting for my husband for his birthday present, because he is the man in the house that does the ironing. So one of the other things that I think is fantastic is finding a home for all these things and knowing where they are when you need to grab them quickly. Now the great thing you've got here is the ironing board holder. You can actually just easily mount this yourself onto the wall, slot the iron in there, you've got a space for the cord so that's not dangerous hanging around, and you simply have the hooks there to hang the ironing board over as well. Tucked away, super slim and simple in your cupboard with plenty more space to put everything else in. Now after all that hard work of you ironing these garments of yours, it's important to have them in a spot that you can easily pop them on a hanger, somewhere where you can keep them crease free. So this, there's a few different options in store, but this is one of my favorites. It is simply as big as you can see in the packaging. You mount it on the wall and you simply bring it out so that you've got the bar across there, and you just hang the shirts that you've ironed on the hangers so they can go straight back into your wardrobe and keep them all nice and crease free. And then when you're completed, take them into your room, hang up your wardrobe, and then you just put the white top back down, and it's all simple and away. So when you're decluttering your laundry, or you get us to come out and do so, these are some of the top picks that I would recommend to make sure that your spaces are working for you. Don't forget to make it functional, practical, and aesthetically pleasing. So if it's got to be done, let's make it fun. So don't forget there's many other spaces in your house. It's a great time to spring clean and declutter your world. So give the team at Be Organised a call. We can help you declutter and organise your home, your office, your mind and your life, and maybe even have an amazing wardrobe such as this. So give the team at Be Organised a call, and don't forget to come in at Soko Co. We can help you declutter your world, and together with Be Organised, give you the gift of time.